Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This HP printer paper has been an excellent choice for us to use in our printer. The quality is superb. It has a color lock technology that gives really great results, and it's really fast drying as well. This is a standard 8.5 by 11 size. The thickness is 20 pounds and the brightness is 92 bright white. I stay well stocked with this for work. We use it for school, and just other times we need to print or make copies, or even just to grab a scrap piece of paper to take notes or to do homework with. We go through so much printer paper in our house, and we do love the quality of this HP printer paper. And that's my point of view.